This video is from the course Introduction. It's designed for complete beginners and assumes you have no knowledge of the subject matter. If you are interested in more beginner, intermediate, or advanced content, check out our website SUBMETA.io.
So in this lesson, we're going over escaping the mount. There's a solo drill for the bridge, which is a very important technique, and we're going to open the closed guard.
Obviously, these are two positions we're familiar with now, mount and closed guard, but we've seen them from the other end, from the attacking end. We saw mount where we could set up the armbar. We saw closed guard where we could set up the armbar. And now we need to be, really when you start, you want to make sure first off that your defense is good. So we're going to start to cover defense now. So we're going to look to escape mount with the bridge and roll. It's probably the simplest way to get out of the mount. And then we're going to go through opening the closed guard. So when you're on top in closed guard, it's really important to understand that you have almost no option. In fact, you have no options for submission, right? Yeah. If you're on top, you can't try to submit your opponent. The only option you should go for is to open the guard. So we're going to teach you how to do that. Once you open their guard and open their legs, that then sets you up to start to put yourself on the offense.
Yeah, so the big picture of this lesson is we're escaping the mount. And the mount is a really bad position. If it's self-defense, MMA, or even in jiu-jitsu, you don't want to be underneath the mount. You're vulnerable to submissions. You're vulnerable to strikes. It's a bad place to be. We're getting out. And then the next thing we're doing is escaping the closed guard. Again, this is a position where you are vulnerable to submissions and you want to open it so that you can begin what we call a passing sequence. So once we open the guard, we can proceed. But just for now, we're just going to keep it to opening the closed guard. Let's get into it.
I hope you enjoyed this video from the course Introduction on SUBMETA.io. If you go to SUBMETA.io, you can watch this course for free, uninterrupted, with exercises to help you with recall. Also for free, we have the follow-up course to this, Foundations 1, Escapes, which builds on the content you'll be learning in this course.